Alright, so welcome back to White House Farm. This is just going to be a quick little video on how to remove wheel hub studs. And just a quick, simple, easy way to do it. And let's get into it. Alright, now to get these studs out, we're going to use a socket here. Just make sure it's bigger than that there. We're going to place that underneath here. And then we're going to go ahead and put our lug nut back on here. And now we're going to hit it with our sledge and pop that out of there. Alright, there we go. So it does take some force to get that sucker out, but now we can go ahead and unthread this. And see, these ribs are what really stick it in there, and if it's really rusty, it's going to be hard to get these out. And you can buy new ones if you just want to throw new ones in there, but we're going to go ahead and reuse our old ones here. But you see how simple that is. So now we'll do the same thing with these other ones. Alright, first hit. Ah, almost. There we go. There we go, we got all four in. Alright, that thing's loud, but so that's just a quick way to go ahead and replace your studs on here. Really simple. Or you can use the hammer method, like I said. Same way, there we go. The same way that we got them out. Same way you put them back in. And, but really simple. Save yourself some money, especially if they're still good. Alright, so once again, we hope you like, enjoy, subscribe, and as usual, we'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.
You can't say goodbye without saying goodbye to me.
Alright, Olaf. We'll see you on the next one. Alright, bye, Obo.
Hi, guys.